Hi and welcome to my channel. I'm not going to say welcome back because I only got 2 subscribers. But today I'm doing another Ipsy Glam bag. I guess it's the same one. I don't know. I think it's got different stuff in it. But we'll freaking check it out. See, never been opened. This is my first time opening it. If I can get it open. There we go. I got it open. I noticed in a couple of my other couple videos you couldn't hardly hear me. Because I guess it's too low or I talk too low. Now the first thing I see in this Ipsy Glam bag is these makeup brushes. Let's open it up and see. I don't think I can open it. Being stubborn, not letting me open it. I don't edit any of my videos, so I don't really care if it's long or not. But see, these are the makeup brushes that are in it. And here's this little bag. Again, so yeah, I guess it's the same one I had before. But hopefully this has different stuff in it. Let's open it up and find out. Oh yeah, it's got different stuff in it. I got this lash smoothie from Sugar Rush. It's a mascara. That's what the wand looks like. Sugar Rush lash smoothie. Never heard of it. I got this Pure Lacy. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Radiant Glow Illuminating BB Cream, SPF 30, oil-free, moisturizing for no to dry skin, even sensitive. For extra coverage, wear under foundation. I get this little sample mini inside. The color is light medium. I'm not sure what the hell my skin color is. See, it's never been open. Trying to make this video short as possible. Let's see. Sorry, some of these stuff I cannot pronounce. Let's see. It is a champagne shimmer palette. Oh, that one got open. There's the colors in it. I'm not going to pronounce it and sound dumber than I am. Let's see, I got another eyeshadow palette. LES Lower East Side. Not for resale. Well, of course not. It's a little sample. City Chic palette. And there's the little mini quads in it. I guess that's what you call it. Quads. I really don't know. Let's see. The next item I got is this Something by the Sea. Little fragrance oil. By the Sea. It's a perfume. Here's this little with a little spray. It doesn't smell too bad. There's the card. And then I got this Pacific, I guess, 100% vegan, cruelty-free glimmer, shimmer, highlighter, and blush set. It says, find these colors in the cherry bomb and light palettes. Every true beauty knows it's what's on the inside that matters. And here's the highlighter and blush. Oh wow, it even has a mirror in the back. If I can open it, here's what it looks like. I guess that one's a highlighter. Wow, the blush really does freaking. There's the highlighter, and there's the blush. You can't barely see it, no matter how many times I put it on my finger. There you go, that darkened it up a little bit. But this is 100% vegan and cruelty free. But yeah, this is all that's in my Ipsy one. Now I probably won't have any more Ipsy because I really don't have the money to keep on spending it. And then some other YouTuber says that it's gonna go up in price anyway. But yeah, that's all that I got in this Ipsy Glam bag. Now, anyone in the comments, anyone that likes to do a comment, they can put in a comment and tell me what videos you like more, that you like to see, or what I can do to make my videos better. You know, I'm low on funds, really don't have that much money, don't even have a job. Just a lot of stuff that's happening in my life. Well, yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Sorry if I sound freaking weird. But yeah, that's all in today's video. Now please don't forget to subscribe or like this video. You don't have to put on the notification if you don't want to. Just try to get my video, my YouTube channel out there. Well, that's all I got. Peace.